PrestaShop is one of the most popular open-source e-commerce platforms designed for businesses of all sizes. In this video, we explore how it caters to dropshipping enthusiasts by offering a range of modules and integrations for streamlining product sourcing and fulfillment. Starting with the user-friendly setup process, PrestaShop allows anyone to create a professional-looking online store. Its built-in features, such as customizable templates and mobile optimization, help stores stand out in competitive marketplaces. The back office provides robust tools for managing inventory, tracking orders, and enhancing SEO to boost traffic and conversions. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. PrestaShop integrates seamlessly with major dropshipping plugins, connecting you to thousands of suppliers and ensuring real-time product updates. However, some users note that its learning curve for advanced features can be steep, particularly when configuring custom functionalities or scaling operations. For those seeking a reliable, scalable platform with an active community, PrestaShop offers a solid foundation for success in the dropshipping industry. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like for more insights into optimizing your dropshipping journey.